Hi, today I'll show you how to turn on power saving mode on Motorola Moto G5S. First of all, let's unlock our phone, then let's go to settings. After that, tap on battery, then battery saver. We can turn it on automatically, like at 15% battery, and we can also turn it on right now, just pressing on the slider. We can turn it off, just like that. Also, if you don't want to open settings every time, you can just open the upper bar, press right here, and tap on battery saver. That's all. Thanks for watching, press like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.